welcome back to my channel. I need to do a really speedy intro right now because I don't have any time. Today we're going to the beach, so I thought I would film a little video because it's quite cute, and then later I think we're going out as well when we get back. And I also have my volleyball AGM, so I thought it would be a fun video because there's like quite a lot going on today. But yeah, that's this video. I don't really have any time to talk about it, but I guess we'll just get right into it, so enjoy. Just quickly to show the fit. Yeah, I'm so excited. Beach days, my favourite, because the beach is like my favourite place ever. So, yeah. Hey guys, where are we right now? On the metro. Yeah. And how excited for the beach are you out of 10? 100 out of 10. Wow. Okay, so everyone rate how excited they are out of 10 for the beach.
I'm going 8 out of 10.
Yeah, only 8.
Yeah, it's nice to do something with my day.
Okay.
I'm going to have to go 10 out of 10.
Yeah. I'm so excited. Yeah.
I'm going to go 11.
I'm gonna go 1,000 out of 10. I love the beach. The beach is where I want to be all the time.
I want to play balls with the old people.
We're getting fish and chips. Look.
I've got the good sausage.
Yeah, curry sauce.
We love sausage.
We love
curry sauce.
We love.
We love it. It's my vibe. It's my aura. Is it northern? Yes. Am I northern? Yes. So it's fine.
But hey, no other.
Exactly. Up the north.
Yeah.
Well, I have the foundation.
And down. Guys, do you want to see the men?
Oh my god, they're so brave. They're in the sea. Stop. And so I think it's very brave, seeing as we are in Newcastle. Oh my god. I think Bella might be a bit cold. At least she's the braver one. They're waving. This is the view. I mean, they're both wearing really nice colours as well. Yellow colours.
So Lucy left me with her camera to vlog, and this is the view. They are actually in the sea right now, as you can see. Awesome.
Oh my god. I think Bella's a bit cold. She's kind of lying down now. I don't really like the sea. It's kind of cold, wet. Not a bit of me. I think Bella's shaking. Quaking with cold.
We're
How
just
was
watching. It was so cold.
Out of 10?
I'd probably give it like a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
We're watching Lucy now. She's
actually
so
really
so
good.
brave.
Good.
It was freezing.
Say hi to the vlog!
It was worth it. It was worth it.
It's worth it. It's worth
Had to be done. Mems were made. Beach review.
Wait, actually say hi. Take the vlog, do some vlogging.
Hi, I'm Kieran.
What do you like about the beach, Kieran?
It's not actually that sunny. It's warm and it's chill with my friends.
How many friends do you have?
Four. Wait, seven that are here right now.
Yeah. Got some like
5 pick. But if I pick this one up, which is poisonous, saves the heart.
Hello.
The camera here. We're back!
Let's go look at the view. We're back.
Not as good as that view I've got. She's back! Durham.
Hey, so I once again didn't finish a vlog. Yay! Yeah, this one's really short, but like, it's just for the memes, you know? It was just a little day at the beach. I think it's actually so cute, this little vlog. Yeah, if you're coming to Durham or you're at Durham and you've never done it, go to the beach. This was Tynemouth Beach. So you can go to Newcastle and then get the metro from there to Tynemouth. And it's so nice. And there were so many students there. Oh, I only just realised this was here. There were so many students there. Or there were when we went. It was literally basically just students like on the beach. It was so cute because everyone had like balls and like throwing them around and like speakers. It was just so cute, so recommend going. The whole day was just so slay. And then I know I said that I had my volleyball AGM. I did. Eleanor got female welfare. Yes, queen. And then we didn't go out because we were all tired, so that was the day. But yeah, it was really good. This is the end of the video. Very short one, but still a fun one. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which I think is definitely going to be a longer one. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want, and I'll see you next time.